Alright, Prizm Hobby Live Golf box number 4 coming at you guys. Yes, we got 2 Prizm golf boxes, and then hoops is up, Matthew. Coming up. I think we still have some random player spots to close up for that hoops. Randoms are cheap, $1.99 for 3 random players, rookies, big vets, all on the list. Chrome color, auto chasing, good stuff. Which one's this for? Kings are? Poor Noah. No beam being lit tonight. Alright, let's do it. Do for a little black. Vincent rookie. John Rahm captains. There's DeChambeau captain silver. Let's see Crushers, right? Let's go with Mackenzie. Yeah, LIV logo speckle. So go random, see who gets that. That's the $2.99. Is it the wrong way? There it is. John Rahm aces. Gooch rookie. Oh, Kieran Vincent's rookie silver. John Rahm stat leader silver. Nice Bubba captain's green. The 7 of 18, little short print Bubba. Nice for the range goats. Mackenzie. Chikara Tringale. So Stinger quad silver. Westwood dominance. Nice Rats. Sergio. Chuck Reed rookie. Munoz rookie silver. Heinrich Stenson aqua. The Majestics GC. $1.99. Bryson DeChambeau, nice aces red. There you go, Mac. The Crushers at a $1.49. Quad Horsfield Seal. Ooh, Anirban Lahiri. Which is his rookie year. It's a rookie auto. So for the Crushers, Mac. Nice Brooksy captain silver. Answers silver. McDowell. Houston Heisenhauser. High Flyers quad silver. Pat Perez silver. Little Sergio prismatic. Stamp there. Five times. Top name, taking down the LIV speckle logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mackenzie, got it. Guys, a LIV golf. There's a box number 4. So jumping in, everybody. What up, Mr.